Greetings everyone, this is Nandini Gaur welcoming you all to another episode of the weekly English News Bulletin, presenting the latest updates from around the globe. Let's take a closer look at this week's headlines. Another US citizen killed by federal agents in Minneapolis. A 37-year-old US citizen, Alex Pretty, was shot and killed by the federal immigration enforcement agents during ongoing operation in the city. Pretty, an intensive care nurse, was reported to have been recording and attempting to help others when he was fatally shot by immigration agents, second such killing by federal forces in the city this month. The incident sparked widespread protests and call for investigation into federal enforcement actions. China halts sale of Sun Pharma dementia drugs. China's drug regulator has ordered a halt to import, sale and use of rivastigmine capsules, a medication used to treat dementia manufactured by India's Sun Pharmaceuticals industry. The decision follows inspections that found deficiencies in manufacturing quality and regulatory standards, prompting concerns for patients relying on the medication. Country has had enough, says Venezuela's acting president Rodriguez. Venezuela's acting president Delcy Rodriguez delivered a strong address to oil workers stating they've had enough orders from Washington on politicians in Venezuela and to let Venezuelan politics resolve internal conflicts on their own. 77th Republic Day celebrated at Kartavya Path. India celebrated its 77th Republic Day on Sunday, 26 January 2026 with a grand parade at Kartavya Path, New Delhi, displaying the theme of 150 years of Vande Mataram. The event featured military displays, cultural tableaux, and support from European Union chief guests. India-EU Trade 2026 a true win-win. India and the European Union concluded negotiation on a landmark free trade agreement after nearly 2 decades of discussions. The deal, described by leaders on both sides, mother of all deals, will significantly reduce or eliminate tariffs on a wide range of goods and services, covering nearly all Indian and EU exports while deepening economic ties. That was all for today's bulletin. We'll be back soon with another episode. Until then, keep watching YMCA Sanchar for more updates. Thank you.